A magnitude 4.4 earthquake hit across 6 parishes in Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV breaking news report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV news report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV news report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The earthquake unit at the University of the West Indies has reported that a magnitude 4.4 earthquake was felt across local parishes on Thursday evening. The unit said that the quake was felt at around 7:13 p.m., with the epicenter being approximately 5 kilometers west of Hope Bay in Portland. With a focal depth of 15.3 kilometers, the unit said that the quake was reportedly felt across a number of parishes including St. Thomas, Portland, Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine and Clarendon. We'll have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.